Hi, welcome to year 3 music class. Okay, I believe all of you have got um my activity guidelines, right? Okay, in the activity guidelines, it's actually talk about what we are going to do in this year 3. Okay, one of the topic that we are going to talk about is time signature. I don't know if you still remember, we talk about this in year 2. There are two time signature that we talk about in year 2, which is uh, 2/4 time signature and 4/4 time signature. Do you still remember that? But at the time, I was putting the time signature with the number at the bottom, so it only looks like this: 2 time signature and 4 time signature. Okay, let's move back a little bit. What is time signature? Okay, time signature. What is time signature? In music, time signature. Okay. For example, we have a song like this. Okay. Just consider this as a song. This blue line here, and your song start from here, and then it's end here. Okay. Time signature. If you have time signature in here, you will be able to analyze the song in a measure, so you will know how long the song goes with time signature. Okay, it is like that. So time signature is to measure your music, to measure how long your music goes. You will always find time signature next to a clef. This is a treble clef. Time signature always stand next to it in a stack of number. For example, this. Or for example, this. Or for example, this. Okay, we have two numbers stuck to each other. Let's talk about four time signature. Do you still remember what is the number on the top means and what is the number at the bottom means? Okay, the number on the top, it means number of beats. So the number on the top, it means number of the beats. And number at the bottom, it means value of each beat. The value of each beat. So that means if we have 4 on the top, it means there are 4 beats in one measure. Okay, this is our measure. From here to here is our measure, one measure, a measure. So it number on the top, it means you have 4 beats in one measure. 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number at the bottom, it means the value of your each beat get. The value of your each beat get. Value. Do you still remember not value? How many type of not value we have? Okay. How many type of not value we have? You still remember this? A whole note. Whole note. Half note. A quarter note. Eighth note. With a 2 flat, it means 16 notes, and so on. Okay, let's talk about only this. So you can see here, okay, this is half note. Let me just write this as this. Okay, whole note, half note, quarter note, 8th note, 16th note. So if the number at the bottom goes with 4, number at the bottom goes with 4, this number at the bottom, it means the value of each bit goes to this here. It means the value of each bit goes for quarter note. Okay, but if the number at the bottom, for example this time signature here, 2 2, okay, we know not on number on the top means number of bits. We have 2 bits, and number at the bottom, it means the value of each bit. So this means this 2 goes for this half note. Okay, so if Pak Rahman draw this, the value of each bit become like this. Okay, you get it? Okay, now let's go back to this 4 4. If I have 4 4 bits, 4 4 time signature, sorry, it means I will have the number on the top means I will have 4 bits for each measure, and the value of each bit worth of quarter note. Okay, so if I count 1 2 3 4, ta 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 ta. Oh, time signature also very important for you to know how many bits to count in when you play music together with your friend. If you ever heard a musician count like this, 1 2 1 2 3 4, okay, it means the time signature must be 4 4. Okay, time signature is most common time that most of the pop song play in this time signature. Okay, in this year 3, we are going to talk about 3/4 time signature. Okay, if you see 3/4 time signature, can you guess how many beats we will have in a measure? This is our measure from here to here. How many beats? Yes, there are 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I'm the band leader, I will count to my friends like this. Okay guys, let's play in 3/4 time signature. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the song goes like that. Okay, and the value of each beat, it means in a quarter note. Yes, in a quarter note. Okay, did you get it? So that's all about the time signature. So the number on the top means how many number of beats you will have in one measure, and number at the bottom means the value of each beat. Okay, that's all for this brief explanation about the topic that we are going to talk about, which is 3/4 time signature. Later in the online session, we will listen to some of 3/4 time signature songs and 4/4 time signature songs, just for comparison. Okay, maybe you can check out a song like Lavender Blue. Okay, Lavender Blue is in 3/4 time signature. Or my favorite things. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you in online session. Bye bye.